Hi guys, Mrs. Shineside here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sephora Play unboxing for February 2018, so let's go ahead and get into it. It says, your eyeliner is a work of art, share the love, grab some scissors and spread the good vibes by sharing these feel-good messages with the beauties in your life. Very cute. And you've got your 50 beauty insider points right there. And then the bag this month looks like this. It says, feel the love. Very appropriate for Valentine's Day. To get the noisy thing out of the way, we got another Atelier cologne. This is the Vanille Insensee. Again, I already have perfume on, so unfortunately I'm not going to wear this. But I know that Atelier colognes or perfumes are pricey, so this is nice to get in the box. I like the cute little postcard that they give you, and then it's a good sample. Again, it is a pull top instead of a spray, which I prefer sprays as you feel like you do waste a bit of this product by popping the top off, but I love vanilla, so I'm sure I'll love this scent. Alright, we've got a repeater. This is the Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar stick. I'm pretty sure I have this exact one, so anything that I get duplicates of in these play boxes or in gift with purchases or anything like that, I do set aside into a giveaway, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile because I'm 99.9% sure I have this already. So that's unfortunate. Ooh, we got the Belif Moisturizing Eye Bomb. So, looks like that. This is 0.17 fluid ounce, so 5 milliliters. And usually an eye cream is half of a fluid ounce, so that's pretty good size. That's going to be a couple weeks. This is definitely good when I'm traveling back and forth. That way I don't have to have a giant eye cream in there. Currently I am using the autocorrect from Sunday Riley. Still not really sure how I feel about it, and I already have another eye cream in a Sephora order that is here, so I'm going to switch when that one runs out. But I like Belif. I feel like that's a good size product. It is deceiving. My finger actually does go up into the jar, so the jar is only like this big, not this big. Okay, Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel. Visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged into the skin with enzymes and cellulose. These things, they always make me think that it's not really the product doing it, it's the product balling up on your skin. But I know that, again, Peter Thomas Roth is a very pricey skincare brand, so this will be good. Feels like there's a good amount in here, but it also feels like a bag of chips, you know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of air in this tube, but I'll give it a shot and I'll see if I can feel a difference. I'll use my physical exfoliator, and then I'll follow up with this and see if I get any additional skin off. I feel like that would be the true test, because I am okay with physical or chemical. This is obviously a chemical. I received a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. They actually have it in a nice little cardboard box. Let's see what shade that this is. Does it say? Does it say Let's Go Crazy? That is not one that I have. Let's go ahead and take it out. Ooh, nice pink color. Pretty. Do a little swatchy swatch. You know, not normally a color that I go for, but come summertime, that would be nice. Just a nice hot pink. The cool thing about these is that they are essentially a lip liner and a lipstick in one because they're such a sharp pencil. Dang it. This is another duplicate. I got the Sephora Rouge Matte lipstick in M11 Rebel Chic. I was really hoping I would get like the nude gloss. It was either a nude gloss or a lipstick. We've been getting so many mini lipsticks lately. You know, it's a pretty color, but it's going to be warming up soon, and I really haven't worn a ton of these colors in the winter anyways, but... Oh, and it's loose in the tube. That's cool. Okay, so it looks darker in the tube than it does on. You can see it's kind of similar to the other one. It's just like a deeper berry as opposed to a hot pink, but they're in the same family. I feel like maybe they should have done something that was a different color, like the nude, or, you know, they've done reds in the past, pinks in the past, maybe do more of a true purple, just because people don't purchase those shades on their own. But I don't know, I'm feeling a little underwhelmed. The only items that I'm really excited for are the Atelier Cologne, the Belif Eye Bomb, and then also the NARS pencil, but I already have NARS pencils, like minis of those. So the rest of it I'm kind of meh over, but let's see if the pun game is strong this time around. The Rosé Way for the Eye Caviar stick. A very good idea for the Rouge lipstick, the Sephora one. Pink Me for the NARS lipstick. Radiance Revealed for the Peter Thomas Roth. See You Later Circles for the Eye Bomb. And Vanilla La Land. I feel like this whole box was underwhelming. But you know what? It's a good way to try out at the very least. I'm sure if we price this out, this half a fluid ounce of the peeling gel, I'm sure that this product is like probably around $100 full size. So this is probably most of the box cost this month because it's $10 plus tax, and then this. So I feel like just with these two things and the Atelier, I'm okay with it. Again, I'm going to check my collection and see if I can put that Laura Mercier into a giveaway. I didn't answer this right away, but the lip color that I'm wearing today is a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Flame of the Game. It's very orange for me, but I think it looks nice. It's just a little bit streaky, so I probably should have gone with a lip pencil underneath it, but anyways, that was my Sephora Play unboxing. What did you get in your box? I saw the lip gloss that I was hoping to get in other people's boxes, but if you haven't subscribed, please do and ring the bell. That will be notified of any video that I upload in the future. Please follow me on my other social medias. That way you'll be notified there. If you don't want to subscribe here on YouTube, I am Mrs. Shiny Side on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shiny Side on Facebook and Pinterest. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys!